Hello stalkers, welcome back. Market is still open, we got 1 hour to go. Being a weekend, I don't see any big volumes in the market today, especially in DFM. So far it have done 3,800 trades and currently it's at 3,450. Yes, we are down, it's in red. Let's see what ADX is doing. So far ADX is performing very well. We can see it's in green. Today's reading is 10,025 plus minus. Multiply is obviously performing very well. As we can see, it's up by 3.79%. Also, one interesting stock that I would like to share is Q Holding or Al Qutra. Very nice. It's trying to break this resistance of 4.28. Let's see if it can close at least above 4.30. This is one of the stock that I would recommend for coming week. This is ready to fly up. My next target is above 4.50. Slowly and steadily you will see it will keep going higher and higher as now volumes are increasing and big boys have already entered the trade. Let's see some other stocks in ADX. Talking about Taka, as we know, because of the news, it's performing very well. Today also it's up by 5%. Which is very good. For the last 3 days it's been doing limit up. IHC today is struggling, but overall index is still positive. Usually this is a heavy weighted stock. If this is in minus, index is also in red, but today it's down by almost 1%. Okay, so we have a alarm set here for Al Qutra. We can see on my trading view 4.29 it have touched, and I think most likely it will cross 4.30. As a matter of fact, my entry is at 4.19. This is the place where I had entered. I had entered with 2 quantities, very small quantity. I bought this for intraday. It's just about 2 p.m. in the afternoon. We got 1 hour to go. So if I get chance to sell anywhere near 4.30 or 4.31, I will exit the trade. It's weekend. I don't want to hold my position over the weekend. Nevertheless, if at all I sell, I will share my video. I will share my trade, so that you can learn from it. Let's go back to the market. What we can see as of now is M Steel did not perform well. I was expecting it to go higher. It's down by almost 2.3%. So far so good, but nothing very impressive in M Steel. Yes, Etisalat have taken a bounce from support. I will make a separate video. Comment if you want to see technical analysis on Etisalat. And then another interesting stock that has been jumping like crazy is Waha Capital. Today it's up by almost 12%. This is very good, and to my surprise, even the trades that you can see, it's more than 350 trades after a long time. Usually we see very little trades in Waha Capital. People usually don't trade this one. Then coming to ADNOC distribution, yesterday and today both this ADNOC distribution and ADNOC drill, they did not perform as expected, because I was seeing this price to go at least about 3.65 today, although it touched 3.64. I think coming week this should be very bullish because we are seeing a huge surge in the volumes and the price as well. ADNOC distribution is also complementing ADNOC drill, so this looks fine for next week. So far I have given you one stock, and then okay, 4.30 have already reached almost. It's about to hit. As of now trading at 4.29. So let's see if it can cross. If there is a strong resistance and if it's not able to cross, I will sell my stocks at 4.29. Now let's go back to ADNOC drill. So first stock that I have given you that is bullish is at a Q Holding or Al Qutra, and then obviously ADNOC drill, ADNOC distribution. Now, if you ask me about Multiply, Taka, all these stocks are way too extended. Let me show you the chart. They can drop anytime. Oh, beautiful. See how Al Qutra is performing. Beautiful. 4.31. This is very juicy. I think I'll hold the trade. Then let's see what you call Multiply. It's way too extended. If I have to place my stop loss, I have to place below this candle, so it can come back for a retest and then go higher. So I don't like to place my stop losses way too higher or way too wide. So I'm waiting for a retracement and then enter the trade. Previously I had taken trade in Multiply. I had shared my views. I had shared my trade as well. And I hope you have seen that. Okay, Q holding 4.32, brilliant performing, very nice. Next is 4.33. Let's see how it performs. Then we have Fertiglobe. There is a breakout of this chart pattern. Beautiful retest today. This stock is also very good for coming week. Keep this in your stocking list. This should be in your radar. Let me mark this for myself as well, so that I plan my trade for coming week. Then we have Ishraq. I'm very disappointed with this stock. It's right at the support zone. I was expecting it to take off today, but no, today also it gapped down, indicating weakness from the buyer's side. Then let's go back to the index and then we will wind up quickly. So far, index is performing very well. If you have seen my previous video on ADX index, I had mentioned either I want market to stay here and then make a bigger move, or market should stay in this resistance zone, that is 3460. If market can hold today and then next week we can see a breakout, and this breakout will sustain. Let's talk about ADX. As we can see, it's performing beautifully. It's going up. It took a small pause here, and now we are ready to hit 10,100. That is a major hurdle for now. So I wish everyone happy weekend. Plan your trades accordingly. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.